In this video, we'll be showing you how to find your wallet address on Binance. So here we have our Binance dashboard with our account, and you're going to go to the left sidebar. Here you have dashboard, assets, and other options. So we're going to be clicking on assets, and then we're going to click on spot. This is going to take us to where we have our cryptocurrencies. So if you'd like to have the address, you just have to hover over the currency you would like to have the address. And then at the right, you have the three dots. When you click on it, you're going to have earn, buy, sell, deposit. So we're going to click on deposit. You're going to select the coin if it's not showing. Of course, we can see BTC and select the network. We're also going to select BTC. And then here you have the deposit address. So you could use a QR code or the alphanumeric code. So this is how to find your wallet address on Binance.